Hey there. Received a paper check and want to add it to your SoFi account? Depositing a check to your SoFi Money account is done entirely through the mobile app, without ever needing to visit a branch. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Open the SoFi app and go to your SoFi Money account. Tap Move Money and select Mobile Check Deposit. Endorse the check by signing the back and writing, "For mobile deposit at SoFi only." Use your phone's camera to take clear pictures of the front and back of the check. Enter the amount, select the account to deposit into, and submit. Funds are typically available within a few business days. My crucial pro tip? Ensure good lighting and a dark background. For the clearest image, place the check on a dark, non-reflective surface and make sure all four corners are visible in the frame. A blurry or poorly lit image is the most common reason for a deposit to be rejected. That's how you turn a paper check into digital funds from anywhere. Do you still receive many paper checks, or is it a rare occurrence for you? Share your experience below. For more convenient banking guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.